Shocking, China just said this about Cardano. ADA News. Chinese public blockchain Nervos and blockchain engineers IOHK are teaming up to create a cross-chain bridge to connect the Cardano and Nervos networks. The move represents Cardano's first bridge interconnecting two ecosystems worth billions of dollars. It furthers Nervos and Cardano's shared goal of finding the blockchain industry's Bluetooth moment, where users have a seamless experience when using blockchain networks, regardless of which chain they're using. Today, we're going to talk about what good news are coming for Cardano from China, and what are the new collaborations Cardano is having, and how it is impacting ADA price. So watch the video till the end to know all about this. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Hi Cardano lovers, welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 28th of July, shall we? Cardano is traded 6.7% lower at $1.25 over 24 hours. Over the last week, ADA traded 11.7% higher. The coin at its current price was almost 50% down from its all-time high. At press time, ADA was trading in the green with a slight recovery seen on the relative strength index as the uptick noted signified an increase in buying pressure. If prices retrace further, the support level to watch out for could be at $1.21. Squeeze momentum indicator depicted a squeeze release, hinting that market volatility could be anticipated moving forward. The dotted lines of the parabolic SAR had arranged themselves over the candlesticks, meaning that this price was on a downtrend. Cardano price has been shaping a symmetrical triangle pattern during the multi-month corrective process, with the July lows failing to trigger the formation on a daily close. ADA still encounters selling pressure below the 2018 high of $1.40, confirmed by the IOHK metric, but beyond the intimidating resistance, there is an open zone for the cryptocurrency to climb. Moreover, the ADA-BTC pair indicates that Cardano price is closing in on renewed relative strength after a corrective period. Now let's get back to the topic. Cardano bridges the gap to China by teaming up with Nervos blockchain. The bridge will allow users to transact with Nervos and Cardano's native currencies, CKB and ADA respectively, as well as create their own tokens across both blockchains, which is done through a technique called token wrapping. It will also enable developers from both chains to access services and features to expand their decentralized applications, dApps, and user bases. Through the bridge, developers using the Nervos platform will have access to IOHK's industry-leading token solution for Cardano, as well as DeFi apps built on top of Plutus smart contract and other features deployed through sidechains and state channels on Cardano. The token wrapping will be done through Cardano's native token technology and Nervos's UDT technology, which removes the complexity, cost, and inefficiency of maintaining specific smart contract logic to implement tokens. In addition to those efficiencies, the removal of the need for custom code to be written also removes the possibility of human error, which has the potential to cause huge losses like the industry saw in 2017 when software bugs led to the loss of $300 million worth of Ethereum's cryptocurrency. The bridge will also enable users to create assets which enjoy all the operational benefits of ADA, allowing projects to access the blockchain's market-leading levels of speed and security with no prohibitive costs. This is the latest project in an existing collaboration between Nervos and IOHK. The two public blockchain ecosystems announced in December that they would co-author research papers on improvements to the UTXO model, future open source developments, and explore the creation of universal standard for the accounting method. Similar to how the internet was built from the interconnection of extranets, themselves interconnecting intranets, we believe that blockchain will achieve mass adoption by interconnecting public blockchain networks, said IOHK CTO Romain Pellerin. Hence, end users are not locked into one particular network or standard and can seamlessly access value and utility regardless of which underlying blockchain network they are using. As a result, bridges are not just a necessity in order to ensure that users have a seamless experience, but will become the norm, allowing underlying blockchains to fade into the background as a transport layer. By connecting blockchain communities and finding innovative ways to work together, as we have been doing with Nervos, we can ensure that blockchain lives up to its promises of creating a fairer and more efficient global financial operating system. Meanwhile, Nervos co-founder Kevin Wang said the Chainlink bridge would advance the entire network. Creating a bridge to link the Nervos network and Cardano is especially exciting given the relationship we have already built with IOHK, he said. We have been growing our research and development partnership, but now we have a tangible bridge that will also showcase the power of the Force Bridge and push us further along the road to a functional interoperable network. Mousebelt, a full-service blockchain accelerator, will contribute to build the bridge with financial support in the form of a grant from Nervos. The Cardano team will contribute its expertise and resources to connect Cardano to the bridge. Work has commenced and the bridge is expected to be completed this summer. Mr. Hoskinson stressed that POS systems allow their operators to deploy servers anywhere in the world, using nothing but a command line. As a result, a regulatory crackdown will never be a problem for POS blockchains like Cardano ADA. Meanwhile, Mr. Hoskinson wished Chinese miners the best of luck in moving mining hardware out of PRC. According to insider information, the outflow of miners from China has already begun. Kazakhstan and Pakistan are named among the most viable alternatives for the deployment of Chinese mining hardware. Also, some analysts foresee the invasion of Chinese mining giants to Africa, Mongolia, and Afghanistan. Cardano ADA will be needed for smart contracts. Smart contracts are a planned feature of Cardano in the upcoming future. Every purchase or transaction we make on a daily basis tells a story. Some stories are simple. One may be the story of a person buying their morning coffee. Another story might be payments for a mortgage or loan. These stories are more complex. Each story needs a script. This means creating a meaningful set of rules and guidelines that allow transfers of value to take place. Smart contracts write the scripts needed for these stories. Cardano's ADA will be the actors of the script. This is the third reason why ADA exists. Cardano would change the laws of the market, just as Ethereum did in its time, for every reason. Significant profits may be generated now by investing in this project. Negative perceptions and attitudes on the market will be the only thing that might interrupt this bullish momentum. Our analysts think that by 2025, Cardano ADA can hit the $8 to $10 mark very easily. Talking about how the coin behaved in the past, things are looking to be good. Although the past is the past, in the crypto world the past is directly proportional to the future of coins. One of the highest market caps and a massive amount of trade every day shows Cardano is popular with cryptocurrency lovers. Despite periodical price declines, the 4-year history indicates steady development of the value of the coin. Many partners support the long-term growth potential of Cardano. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land.